with Mr Phormula, and today we're gonna reveal some secrets behind the beatboxing. So, Mr Phormula, can you tell us, is there any sound that you cannot imitate?
Yeah, there are a lot of sounds that they're just not physically possible. Yeah, like some people ask me to like acoustic guitars. You just can't do an acoustic guitar, you know. So there are a lot of things that you can't do. But with beatboxing, it's usually the case of whatever you can do really well. So that sort of counteracts the ones you can't do. If that makes sense. Like if you just do a siren, you can make it sound really good. So it doesn't matter if you can't do an acoustic guitar, then you can do that. So it's sort of like you just do what you can as best as you can. So.
How did you first get interested in beatboxing?
First time I ever seen a guy on beatboxing was a beatboxer called Rizal. He was on an advert for Yo MTV Raps back in the day. He was only 6 years old or something, and I seen the Sky. I was like, and that's what got me into it. I was fortunate enough to have met him as well. I met him in New York. I was just like, wow, he's a proper nice guy as well. Just blown away, like my idol. Just sort of met him. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So I was about 6.
Wow, amazing. So how did you learn it yourself?
Well, I'm from Anglesey, which is it's known as the capital of hip hop in Wales. So there's like massive breakdancing scene there and rappers and that, you know. So I grew up with beatbox as well. I had to just listen to the radio and try and copy it. So that's all I did. I was just like, and then and then basically that was it. Yeah.
If, say, for very beginners like me who want to learn beatbox, is there any tips or some essentials?
Well, there is. Like the boring answer, unfortunately, is it takes practice. Yeah, but if you just remember, it's all to do with pressure. So it's letters and words, but you're not actually saying them. So for example, if I was to go boom ticka ticka boom chat, ticka 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 boom chat, right? If you do that really quickly, boom ticka ticka boom chat, ticka 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 boom chat. That's it. So if you get that practice down to a T and take the voice out of it, so it's just practice. It's rhythms and practice and pressure. So those are the main things, like, you know.
Last but not least, can you show us just a little bit of your fancy?
Oh yeah, okay, all right. Anglesey beatboxing community. Goes like this. Something like that, I think.
Thank you very much.
No problem, my pleasure, thank you.
Thank you.
What else?